All right, we have just talked about the sort underscore values method. So let me just give a short note, and we say this sort underscore values actually is a method, as we have said. This method is used to call a function, and what it does actually, it is sort by default. It is sort automatically any data in ascending order. That meaning from the smallest to the largest. So for our case, we want to sort here. We want the here so that we can know the earliest or the smallest here or the we can can't use smallest here. So but we can say the earliest. We can see according to this we have 2013, we have 2019, 2019, 2019, 1996. But we are not guaranteed whether this 1965 is the earliest, the which because we have 1978 and also we have 1996. So that means there is the data is not consistent. So to make this data consistent, we need to sort them by the year. In the Excel field, they call it filter. So here we're sorting. So now let's do it. So here we can say sets dot value dot sort underscore values. Sort, and that is method. The method is calling a function, and let's say we want to track here uh, and let's say dot head to display only 5. All right, and this head is a method you have to call it or even. So let's run it and see what will happen in the next shot.